Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check product's health for iRobot Roomba 676. And to do this, you will need to pair your robot with iRobot app. I shown you how to do that previously. Now we can scroll down, find the product health. You can take a survey. When did you last replace Roomba's filter? I'm not sure because I didn't use it, but you can answer the questions correctly. If you know it, then I'm gonna go with I'm not sure and I'm not sure. And here you will see all of your usage for each of the items. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.